Ever feel like handling 10 clients in a single day is impossible? What if I told you there are AI tools that can do all the boring tasks for you? Writing, designing, emailing, researching, literally everything? And the best part? Most of them are free. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools every freelancer should be using to save hours of work and increase productivity in 2025. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a bonus tool that can cut a full day's work down to just 10 minutes. I'm your name, and you're watching WorkShift AI, the place to learn how to work smarter, faster, and make AI your ultimate productivity partner. Whether you're a freelance writer, designer, video editor, or social media manager, this video is going to change how you work. Let's start with the first tool, ChatGPT or Claude AI. Imagine this, a client messages you, "I need Instagram captions for my travel brand." Normally, you'd spend at least 30-40 minutes brainstorming, writing, and editing. With ChatGPT, you just type, "Write 5 catchy travel captions in a fun, casual tone." Boom, you get 5 ready-to-use captions in seconds. But here's the thing, don't just copy-paste. Add your personal touch. Change a word here, tweak the tone there. That's what makes AI content feel human. And it's not just captions. You can draft emails, proposals, newsletters, or even blog posts. Anything that takes time, ChatGPT can help with. Quick tip: for better results, give AI clear instructions. The more details you give, the more accurate the output. For example, write a 200-word Instagram caption for a travel brand targeting young adults in India. Mix English and Hindi. See? Super precise and saves you hours. Next up is Canva Magic Studio, the ultimate design assistant for freelancers. Let's say you need a social media post, a thumbnail, or a client presentation. Normally, you'd spend hours trying to get the design right. With Canva, you just type in what you want. For example, create a modern logo for a fashion brand with pastel colors and minimal style. Boom! Canva generates multiple options instantly. Even better, you can use features like text-to-image, magic eraser, or auto-resize for multiple platforms. And the best part? The free plan is already super powerful. You don't need expensive software to create professional designs. Here's a little story. I had a client who needed 10 Instagram posts in one day. Normally, it would have taken me at least 5 hours. Using Canva Magic Studio, I created all 10 in less than 45 minutes. That's insane productivity. Now, imagine creating videos without even touching a camera. That's where HeyGen or Synthesia comes in. You write a script, choose a virtual actor, select a background, and AI creates a fully professional video for you. Perfect for client explainers, tutorials, or even marketing videos. Here's an example. I made a 2-minute client explainer video using HeyGen. I didn't film anything. No camera, no lighting, no editing nightmare. The AI generated the avatar's voice, lip sync, background, and animations. You can even use this for YouTube Shorts. Just type a 60-second script, select an avatar, and your short video is ready to go. Imagine how much time that saves, especially if you're managing multiple clients. Next is Notion AI, which is basically your productivity hub. Every freelancer knows the struggle of tracking projects, ideas, invoices, and deadlines. Notion AI organizes everything for you. You can create client trackers, project timelines, content calendars, all automated with AI suggestions. For instance, I use Notion AI to track client projects. As soon as I add a new project, it automatically generates a timeline, tasks, and deadlines. No more forgetting tasks or losing important information. You can also use it to summarize meeting notes, generate ideas, or even write quick drafts for proposals. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. Now, let's talk about research, which is another time-consuming part of freelancing. Perplexity AI is perfect for that. Suppose a client asks you to create a social media strategy for a fitness coach targeting Indian audiences. Normally, you'd spend hours browsing Google, taking notes, and compiling data. With Perplexity AI, you just type your query and get a complete, updated plan in seconds. It's faster than Google and gives actionable ideas that you can use immediately. Imagine doing research in 1 minute instead of an hour. That's the power of AI. Finally, here's the bonus tool I promised, Opus Clip. This tool takes long videos and automatically converts them into engaging short clips with captions. Perfect for repurposing content for social media. Upload your long tutorial or client video, and in minutes, Opus Clip generates multiple shorts that are ready to post. Think about it. You can create a 10-minute video and instantly get 3 to 4 shorts from it, all AI generated. your content production goes through the roof, and your audience engagement skyrockets. So, to recap, ChatGPT, Claude, writing ideas and emails, Canva Magic Studio, design and visuals, HeyGen, Synthesia, video creation without filming, Notion AI, project management and organization, Perplexity, AI, fast research and strategy. Bonus, Opus Clip, convert long videos into shorts. With these tools, you can handle writing, design, video, research, and content repurposing in record time. Your productivity will skyrocket, and clients will be happier than ever. Comment below, which tool are you going to try first? If you want me to make a video on AI tools specifically for students, YouTubers, or agency owners, type AI next in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to WorkShift AI. Because here we don't just work smart, we work legendary.